Welcome back to a very special episode of the Boostly podcast, and we are going to delve into a Boostly tune-up. So this is a lots of different series. It's like a Boostly multiverse, and I'm helping lots of different hosts tune up their business so they can get more bookings. Now, the gent that I am helping today is Kevin from Patriot VR. Kevin has got a Boostly website. It's live, and he is very honest to say that he has done nothing proactively in terms of getting people to the site. From the Google Analytics, he's seen that he's at about 100, but it should be so much more. So what we're going to do today, and this is like a little segment of our chat. Our chat in total is about an hour. I'm taking little segments so I can present it to you, to show him what he needs to do, but it will help you as well. We delve into tools, tactics, and if you want to find out more about Boostly TuneUp, just email mark@boostly.co.uk, put in the subject heading Boostly TuneUp. And if you are part of Team Boostly, so if you've got a Boostly website, content creator, academy, all the things that we talk about today, you can get access to. So go and check it out. Log into your dashboard and take advantage and use it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time that you've done so, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, download, tell a host, share with a friend, all of the good stuff. But now let's jump into our chat, and you can find out more about how I'm helping Kevin at Patriot VR get more direct bookings via getting more traffic to his website. Speak soon. So, I don't want to give too much because it will get overwhelming. But I think if we just focus on number one, making sure that connection from your welcome to MailChimp is firing, connecting, so it frees up a bit of Katie's time. Number two, we actually start using that list, and I'm going to give you some templates that you can copy, paste, personalize, and send out. Number three, what I recommend you do is get Crazy Egg.
We did that right when we finish here.
Yeah, we track people, and then basically what we'll do behind the scenes is I'll just make sure that when we get access to this new API, we'll add it into the site, no extra charge. We'll get it sorted and we'll tell you when it's done, because it's almost ready, which is cool. But and the final thing will be the pop-up. So the pop-up to get more people who are visiting your site to get onto your email list, because then you'll have a real nice healthy mix of people who have stayed with you and people who are yet to stay with you. So there's two real cool different types of email styles that you can send to both.
Yeah.
And then once we get them, we'll get a better indicator as into how people interact with the site, who's interacting with the site. And more so. One final thing, let me just go into the back end, and that's something that I noticed, which again, I think your digital marketing person will need to click and turn on. You see here where it says Google Sidekick? So you've got Google Tag Manager and everything set up, which is great. You just need to connect the Sidekick to the website. It just means that you'll get a much more better indicator on it. It should be all set up. If they've done Tag Manager, they've done this. They just literally need to sign in with Google to here.
Okay.
So if you log into the site, because then what this will do is it will tell you exactly how many people are coming onto the site, which is the most popular pages, which are the most popular blogs, etc. Just to give you an example of how that works in action, let me just log on to the Boostly backend, because I've got Sidekick logged in and using and active. And this will be what it shows you.
Okay.
You can see this here. So when it's live and when it's active, it'll tell you exactly, how many unique users, average time on the site, total impressions, total clicks, and which are the most popular page views. So these are obviously, that's the Boostly homepage, that's a blog. But yeah, this will be what your site will be able to tell you every time that you click onto it.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.